Hi friends, welcome back to Kerala Public School Araria online classes. I think all of you are keeping well. So, today we are going to learn about Science Chapter 2. In the last class, we learned the last two videos. We learned Chapter 1, that is our surroundings. What is our surroundings? How we can keep our surroundings clean, and the question answer section. All that chapter we completed. Now we are going to learn about the second chapter, living and non-living things. What do you mean by this heading, living and non-living things? Living मतलब जो जिंदा है, जितना सामान को जिंदा है वो सब क्या है? Living things. And the second one, non-living things. Likewise, desk, our textbook, वो सब सांस नहीं लेता है ना. लिविंग थिंग्स क्या करता है? हम लोग, आदमी लोग, जानवर, सब क्या है? लिविंग थिंग्स है. वो सब सांस लेता है, चलता है, वो सब करता है. और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, दे कांट मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, लाइक आवर बुक, आवर टेक्स्ट बुक, आवर डेस्क, fan and everything. So in the first section we are going to learn about living things only. We will learn non-living things after, and now we will look living things. What are living things? What are they do and everything. Okay. So living things, the small definition is given here in the board. Things that can move, things that can move, breathe, eat, feel, grow and have babies are called living things. Things that can move, breathe, eat, feel, grow and have babies are called living things. All of you understand? I say things, जितना सामान है वो सबको मूव कर सकता है, सांस ले सकता है और खा सकता है, फील कर सकता है, बड़ा होता है और बेबीज को प्रोड्यूस कर रहे, वो सबको हम लोग क्या बोलता है? लिविंग थिंग्स. सो इन लिविंग थिंग्स वी विल लर्न इन डिटेल. लिविंग थिंग्स ईट, living things breathe, living things grow, living things move, living things feel and have babies. These are the 6 points we are going to learn in this chapter about living things. So I am going to read our textbook. Listen my voice carefully. There was a cat in Rohan's house. There is a simple picture given in the textbook. It is Rohan's room. Rohan is sitting there in his room and nearby him some cats are there. So let me read the paragraph. There was a cat in Rohan's house. It had 4 beautiful tiny kittens. The kittens grew up fast and started running around the house. Rohan's mother gave them milk. In this simple paragraph, we can see all these things. These 6 points are mentioned in this small paragraph. Listen carefully, I will read it again. There was a cat in Rohan's house. Rohan का घर में एक बिल्ली है. It had 4 beautiful tiny kittens. वो बिल्ली को कितना बच्चा है? 4 बच्चा है. So the last point, living things have babies. Rohan's house, there is 1 cat and it have 4 tiny kittens. Last point, living things have babies. So we can understand cat is a living thing and it had 4 tiny kittens. The kittens grew up fast and started running around the house. So the next 2 points, living things grow and living things move. The kittens grow up fast. वो जल्दी से बड़ा हुआ and started to running around the house. घर पूरा घूमने के लिए, घर का अंदर में घूमने के लिए शुरू किया. So 3 points we learned. Living things have babies. Kitten have 4 tiny kids. The cat have 4 tiny kids and it grow fast. Living things grow. The kittens grow fast and move around the house. Living things move. Then Rohan's mother gave them milk. रोहन का मम्मी क्या किया? बिल्ली को खाना दिया. So living things eat. That 4 kittens grow faster, move around the house and started to eat. Then where is this point? Living things feel. It feels hungry. Because of that they drink milk. And by the help of milk, they grow faster, they started to move, they breathe. कैसे बड़ा होता है? हम लोग पहले सांस लेना चाहिए ना, तब ना हम लोग बड़ा हो जाएगा. So, in that paragraph, we learn all these 6 things. How babies grow fast, move around, feel hungry, eat food, and they breathe each and every second in their life. Okay, so let me move to the next paragraph. Things that can move. I write it here. Things that can move, breathe, eat, feel, grow, and how babies are called living things. By these 6 points and that small paragraph, I think all of you understand about living things. So, let's move on to the next topic. Things such as stones cannot move their own. Things such as stone. What do you mean by stone? Stone. Stone എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ പത്രല്ലേ?
കല്ല്.
പത്രല്ലേ? हाँ. What do you mean by stones? पत्थर है ना, नीचे जो है बड़ा वाला छोटा वाला पत्थर है, वो सब सांस लेता है. आप लोग देखिए पत्थर को, देखिए वो सांस लेता है क्या? मुंह अपना एक जगह से दूसरे जगह भाग जा रहे हैं हम लोग का जैसे नहीं. वो कहाँ पे है? उधर है. उसको मूव करना चाहिए तो हम लोग क्या करना चाहिए? हम लोग उसको उड़ा के फेंकना चाहिए, तब वो एक जगह से दूसरा जगह जाएगा. So stone. Is the stone is a living thing or non-living things? It will come under the heading of non-living things. So, things such as stones cannot move on their own. They do not breathe and grow. आप लोग छोटा से एक पत्थर देखा, वो इतना बड़ा है. अब लोग बड़ा होने के बाद उसे वो सेम पत्थर को देखने के बाद वो और बड़ा हो जाएगा? नहीं, वो उसको क्या शेप भगवान दिया है, वाई शेप में रहेगा. क्योंकि पत्थर कहाँ आता है? नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स का नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स में आता है. नॉन लिविंग थिंग डिड नॉट breathe, move, eat, feel, grow, and they don't have babies also. So such things are called non-living things. The cat and kittens are. The cat, before we learn about the cat and its 4 little kittens, there comes under living things. And the stone comes under non-living things. So I'll read the full paragraph again. Listen me. There was a cat in Rohan's house. It had 4 beautiful tiny kittens. The kittens grew up fast and started running around the house. Rohan's mother gave them milk. Things that can move, breathe, eat, feel, grow, and have babies are called living things. Things such as stone cannot move on their own. Such things are called non-living things. The cat and kitten are living things. We are also living things. We are also comes under living things. We will learn about non-living things in the next video. Now we will learn about the living things only. Okay. Living things. Look into this picture. All those who don't have picture book, listen to the video carefully. Look into this picture. Many things are there. Okay. Many things are given in the picture. There is water, mountains, tree, butterfly, one boy and girl, 2 puppies, 1 hen, grow, born, flowers and a garden, everything is there. How many things in this picture like living things and non-living things? So there is some space. You want to write 5 living things in that line. Do it yourself. Let me move to the first point. Living things eat. Living things eat. In the pictures given below, some pictures are given under the heading. Can you see this? In the picture given below, take the things that can eat food has all. So we will learn about the first point, living things. Some pictures are given in the textbook. Can you see this? These are the pictures. So what you people want to do? Tick. You want to round the pictures that are comes under living things. जितना पिक्चर में क्या क्या दिया है उसमें लिविंग थिंग्स हेडिंग का नीचे क्या आएगा उसी को राउंड अप करना चाहिए. All living things need food and water to grow big and keep healthy. हम लोग मजबूत से बड़ा होने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? खाना चाहिए. Okay, we want to eat food to grow bigger and stronger. Okay, all living things need food and water to grow big and keep healthy. हम लोग बड़ा होने के लिए खाना चाहिए. That is the first point. Living things eat. We eat many things in our home. Okay, that things help us to become bigger and stronger. Then the next point, living things breathe. Living things breathe. Hold your hand just under the nose. अपना नाक का नीचे हाथ रखिए, एक उंगली रखिए. द सांस करो, अंदर में करो, द बाहर में भी करो. क्या फील होता है आप लोग को ऐसे करने? क्या फील होता है? When you breathe in, do you feel something? Nothing is there. So when you breathe out, you can feel that the air touches our fingers. The air touches our fingers. All the time you are breathing in and breathing out air. In the above activity, you could feel the air you were breathing out. All living things breathe air. जिंदा से रहने के लिए क्या सांस कर रहा है? Air. All living things breathe air. Then the next point, living things grow. हम लोग बड़ा होता है. जब हम लोग जन्म हुआ तभी इतना छोटा था. 1 साल हुआ और बड़ा हुआ. 2 साल में इतना बड़ा. 3 साल में इतना. 5 साल में और बड़ा हो जाएगा. That is called, we are growing every year. Not every year, each and every second we are growing. Okay. So, living things grow. Some questions are there. People want to do yourself. So, the next topic, living things grow. We are growing. Are you bigger than when you? Then the next topic, living things grow. हम लोग जब जन्म हुआ इतना ही था. तब 1 साल आगे जाके हम लोग इतना बड़ा हुआ, इतना हुआ. हम लोग अपना से खाने के लिए सीखा, दौड़ने के लिए सीखा, पढ़ने के लिए सब चीज हम लोग अभी कर रहे हैं ना. जब जन्म हुआ तो हम लोग ये सब सीखे थे नहीं. लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो. वी विल बिकम मोर बिगर देन द प्रीवियस ईयर. So some questions are there. Were you always in the same size? पूरा टाइम हम लोग जो जितना छोटा था वही साइज में है अभी भी नहीं। हम लोग क्या हुआ, हम लोग खाना खा के अच्छा से बड़ा हुआ। सो वी कैन से नो। देन कैन यू स्टिल wear the clothes you worn when you were on the 1 year old? जब तुमको 1 साल था तभी जो कपड़ा पहना वही अभी भी पहन रहे, कैसे होगा? अब लोग बड़ा हुआ ना, स्ट्रॉन्गर हुआ, बिगर हुआ। सो वो 1 साल में जो कपड़ा पहना वही अभी हम लोग नहीं पहन रहे, नया कपड़ा पहनता है। We are wearing new dresses, new size of dresses. You have grown up. The old clothes do not fit you now. पुराना वाला कपड़ा हम लोग को नहीं होता है। हम लोग बड़ा हुआ, लंबा हुआ, मोटा हुआ, नहीं तो पतली बन गया, पतला हुआ, ठीक है। इसीलिए living things grow. Living things grow. Look at the pictures. 3 pictures are there. Can you see? जब वो छोटा था तभी ऐसे थे, पढ़ने के लिए गया ऐसे था, इतना बड़ा हुआ, और काम करने के लिए गया, इतना बड़ा हुआ। So I will read the paragraphs. Look at the pictures given below. बुक में जो पिक्चर दिया है उसी में देखिए। There are 3 photographs of मुरली का 3 पिक्चर दिया है। These photographs were taken when he was 1 year old. जब उसको 1 साल में एक पिक्चर है। Then 10 years old, 10 साल में दूसरा एक पिक्चर है। And 25 years old, तीसरा पिक्चर, उसको कितना साल हुआ था? 25 years हुआ। So you people want to number those pictures when he was in 1 year, 10 year and 25 year. So let's look it again. Living things are non-living things. First we took living things. Things that can move, breathe, eat and feel, grow and have babies are called living things. And there are 6 points. Living things eat, the same points: eat, breathe, grow, move, feel and have babies. So still now we learned up to here 3 points. And your homework, I told you before, some things are there to do yourself. Do it yourself and read the chapter. Chapter up to page number 11. पेज नंबर 11 तक आप लोग रीड करो, तब हम लोग का बाकी 3 पॉइंट्स भी आप लोग को मिलेगा। आप लोग रीड करो, तब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम एक्सप्लेन कर दे देंगे। आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड टू हियर। Stay at home, safe at home, eat well. Thank you.